My name is Jake. I'm the communications coordinator here at the Great Falls Public Library, and today I thought we'd check out our online calendar on our website. In June we unveiled a new website, and with that came a new online calendar, and I thought I'd show you a few tips and tricks on how to find what you're looking for and the different ways in which you can look and see and find everything that the library has going on online. So come on. Come with me and let's check it out. Okay, as you can see, here is our website. We are at greatfallslibrary.org. Here is the home page, and it might look a little different depending on what browser you are using and if you are on a desktop or a tablet or a phone, but this is essentially what the website looks like. And if you scroll down a little bit, you'll see the events at the library. This is our main calendar. So by default, we have the most current events at the top. The first 6 events usually here. And yeah, if you want to, you can load more events, and that'll just load some more of these little book-looking events. But say you're looking for something more down the line, or say you're just looking for a list of things that are happening at the library in a chronological order. So to do that, we just click here and we go to View Calendar, and that's the first step here, and it'll take a minute to load, so 1 second here. So here we are, we're at the events calendar, and as you can see here, the first default is it'll take you to the current month, and you have the calendar view. Now, since we're at the end of August, most of these are grayed out because August is almost over. So you'll see when they're not grayed out, you'll have the events here at the bottom. Now, if you don't like this view and you don't say it's too confusing or there's too many colors, you have some options here. So you can search for events, and you can go here to find events. You can type in what you want there. We'll do that in a little bit. But I want to direct you here to where it says month. If you click on that, and then you have list, day, summary, and week. Now, if you click on list, this takes you to our list of events in chronological order, starting with today's date. Now, and you scroll down, and it'll just keep going down. And then you can click on the next. So so that's a good way to do it there. If you click here again, say you want to do by day, you can click that, and it'll just show you today's events. And you can click here, you can pick the day. So say you wanted to see what happened on August. All right, now if you click here and you go to summary, it'll show you the day or whatever you have here, and it'll just show the title, the time, and the date. Really simple. It won't have the description. Now if you want to go to week, you can click there and it'll load here, and it'll show you a weekly view here. And that's, we have a weekly view here. So that's one other way to look at it. So say, well, I'm going to be in town in September between the 15th and the 21st. What's happening at the library? You can go right here, and you have it up here. See in the corner here, that's your control area there, up there in the corner. And then that'll give you the week's events as so. Now, if you don't like the view, or if it's something about the way it's listed is making it hard for you to see it, there are some options. So if you look up here, we have our accessibility tools. And right now I have it on grayscale, which means all the color is gone. Say if the colors are too bright, you don't like the colors, you can click that. But say you want to increase the text, it's too small. You can do that, and it boosts up the text. Or it's too big, you can decrease it there, and you reset here. So that'll reset to the default. So we'll go to the list, and I'll show you a little bit more of these accessibility tools. And this is on every page, not just the calendar, but we are looking at the calendar, so we'll do that. Say if you want to underline all the links, that's how you know you can click on something there. The background, if you say you don't want any color, you just want the light background, that'll do that. The negative contrast, that's high contrast. Those are for if you're colorblind or you have some kind of vision issues, we have that for you. And the font, the readable font. So this changes it into a different font that's easier to read for some people. So yeah, so there's a few options, and again, we can reset it there. It goes back here. So hopefully you'll find this video helpful. Just a good way to kind of search the calendar and find what you're looking for. There are a lot of different ways to find things on the website. And we always have the site search up here and the catalog search right there. So, or we can search the events down here. And again, the website is greatfallslibrary.org. And my name is Jake. I'm the communications coordinator here at the library. Thank you.